basically this company hit me up and they were like, hey, we want you to review this these cotton pads that we have. I've been using cotton pads for like 3-4 years now. I don't like tampons, none of that. I use cotton pads and I use a cup. I try to, you know, be mindful of what I'm putting into my body, so I've switched to this about 3 years now, and it has worked wonderful. So when they hit me up, I was like, hey, I use those anyway, so I need some more. So I can say, y'all, these little cotton pads right here, basically you use them, you throw them in the washer, and then you can use them again. So you don't have to like throw them in the trash, even though throwing them in the trash is more convenient. But this is more convenient because you're not going to run out. So yeah, so you pick and choose whatever. And then on top of that, you're not putting any chemicals inside of your body. So real quick, I just wanted to tell y'all about these. So these so far are the best pads I have used. I'm not even gonna lie, I ain't getting paid for this or anything, so you know, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. And it's so bomb because it's like it's soft. This is soft, but this part right here is stiff, so it's not sliding everywhere. It's staying where your underwear, when you clasp this together, it holds perfectly where your underwear is. Like, these are just the best. So I just wanted to give a little review on these real quick. The company is called Highoh. I'm going to put a link in the description box for this. They have like a starter kit where 6 of these come with it and a little bag that you can put it in. But yes, I love these. Some people may think it's disgusting because you're reusing them, but honestly, I don't know. I care more about my body than I guess it being disgusting. So yeah, I just wanted to give a heads up about this real quick. So I'm happy.